Grabe, meron na yan. First time tong ina-unbox dito sa Pilipinas.
Now we have 3 units here in the showroom. These 3 are the first in the world na
First in the
nakapasok.
world?
Yes, in the nakapasok sa showrooms.
Wow.
So we were actually given the chance to actually show it to everyone dito sa Philippines. I think it's because we've already reached number 1 in sales worldwide, and then number two is number 1 in service worldwide for the past few months. So we're lucky. Us Filipinos are lucky to have them here first time.
Okay, here with me now is Mr. Migs.
Hello.
Of Triumph Philippines.
One of the first countries to have allocation ng Triumph, the all-new Triumph motorcycles Tiger 1200.
Yes.
And this example right here is the GT Explorer.
Yes, wow.
So, the GT Explorer, we have a 30-liter tank.
Okay.
Yung pinakaiba niya sa standard, 30-liter tank. And then meron siyang radar for blind spot detection.
This one.
Yes, yun yung module.
Okay.
Pagka may blind spot, sasabihin niya dito through the mirrors, iilaw yan, mag-illuminate ng orange. Tapos ang ano natin dito sa 1200 range natin, ang mapapansin niya, shaft-driven siya.
Okay.
Para sa mga, talagang you go to distance, hindi ka masyadong mag-iisip na may debris na masa-stuck sa chain mo or whatnot.
Yes.
3-cylinder na uneven firing order. So,
Okay.
it gives you that.
So it's not inline 3.
It is. But
is inline
uneven yung firing order niya.
Okay.
So, medyo raspy. Gives character.
Gives character to the bike. Yes, can you tell us more about this bike?
So, ito standard sa kanya yung lower crash bars.
Okay.
And then may auxiliary lights na rin siya. Color display. Keyless ignition, keyless sa gas tank. Riding modes, cruise control, 5-way joystick to navigate through the screen. Bluetooth connectivity para hindi kayo masyadong distracted.
Android or iOS?
Yes.
No problem. Okay.
But you have to download the app na My Triumph. Adjustable yung windscreen.
Yes. Actually, what's nice about this windscreen, no frill siya, no? Alam mo, it will work anytime, every time. So,
Hindi mo na
very
kailangan
reliable.
mag-screw, mag-unlock.
Oo.
Heated grips.
Heated grips.
So ito yung button para sa heated grips niya.
Yan. Actually, ako sir, I live in Baguio City. So, I'm driving that Triumph outside, over there.
Trident.
Sorry, Trident. Trident over there. And na-experience ko na yung nabasa ng ulan. So, going up to Baguio. And talagang malamig sa kamay, guys. Sometimes I wish na may ganito siya. Although pwede, kaya lang babayaran mo pa eh, diba? This one is built-in. So very, very nice. So,
Electronically adjustable yung suspension, front and rear.
Okay.
And it's provided by Showa.
Okay.
Ang brakes naman by Brembo, front and rear. Dual disc sa harap, single sa likod. And then if you would look closely, dito sa kabilang side, Sir Chappie, hindi siya single swing arm, pero ito yung tri-link na tinatawag ni Triumph.
Tri-link. Okay. So anong difference ng tri-link from the single swing arm?
What's special about it is that it has to do with weight reduction.
Okay.
Hindi masyadong crowded sa single swing arm. And then sa kabilang side, Sir Chappie, makikita nyo, ito yung younger brother niya. Ito si GT Pro.
Ito yung mas mura. Sorry, how much is this again?
The example that you see here is called Lucerne Blue. It's 1,640,000.
Okay.
Pero sa Triumph kasi, nagbabago ang presyo ng kada modelo. Depende sa kulay.
Yes, like
so
the
ito,
Bonneville.
magsisimula to sa Snowdonia White. Yung Snowdonia White, 1,625,000.
Okay.
And then meron tayong Sapphire Black, susunod, 1,635,000. And then finally ito, 1,640,000.
640. And then this one, yung younger brother niya, the
Si
GT Pro.
ang pinakaiba, unang-una, so ang massive nung Explorer dahil 30 liter, ito standard sa kanya 20 liters.
30 liters yung
Explorer. Itong GT Pro natin is 20.
20.
And wala siya nung blind spot detection radar sa rear.
Okay.
Others,
Oh, and then I noticed yung crash bar niya.
wala din. Oo.
Okay. How about the heated grips? Meron
din, sir.
Comes in with the heated grips. Shaft driven all the way.
Lahat ng 1200 natin, sir, shaft driven.
So everything else is the same.
Yes.
Yun lang naman yung wala.
Yes.
And the liters nung tank.
Yes.
Pero actually, yung size nito, kung meron man difference, it's very small. Pero this one, you're getting 30 liters.
Yes.
Yan. So, when you're going the long distance talaga, I think that would be the better
Option,
choice.
yes. So, ito naman, sir, yung example natin na to, you see it in Snowdonia White, ang presyo nito is 1,460,000.
1,460,000. Looking at this is very similar to the GS1250. Is Triumph going after the GS1250 with this bike?
You can say that, but mas tayo, if you want something different, kasi magkakaiba ang configuration at this segment of bikes, but you can say na sila yung magkatapat. Do visit us. We're located at 324 Ortigas Avenue, North Green Hills, San Juan. Kahilera namin ng Burger King towards tayo, New Manila.
Yeah.
You won't miss it.
Alright.
Malapit sa Green Hills sa shopping center.
So guys, punta kayo dito, feel the bike, ride it, ask about it. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo. This could be an option for you. This could be a bike that you can consider for your long travels. Yan. So thank you, Sir Mig.
Thank you, Sir Chappy.
Okay. Bye. Nice.